So guys, this is another day in my beautiful hotel, and the last night was raining heavily, and there was a thunderstorm like weather, and the waterfalls are now more beautiful than yesterday. The waterfalls view is captivating, and we can see them from our hotel. The weather is also calm and very good. So, and clouds are also uh, not there, so we can see all the things in the nearby. But yesterday there were many clouds, so the whole view was covered by them, and we can't see anything. So guys, today we are going to the cleanest river and the cleanest village in Asia. So wait for the next video till it comes. Bye bye.